I guess that kind of leads into how do you stay motivated then when you're doing so much. So, like, how do you stay motivated? Like, what do you have? Your little pep talks in the morning, looking in the mirror, you write little affirmations and stuff on the wall.
I think it's just a vision of what I want in my life.
No, what do you want?
That's a really good question. I want, when it comes to career, I want to be as successful as possible. Oh, okay. Right? And that's not necessarily like fame or anything like that.
What does success look like?
It's more so being the best actor I can be, being the best filmmaker I can possibly be. And of course, like setting up myself and future generations for success, right? Like, even if I don't have kids, making sure that my niece is good, or making sure that, you know, my brother about to have, like, making sure that, like, my, like, the lineage, making sure that they're good, and that they don't have to, like, worry about anything, and they can start from a much higher place than I did, right? And so that's a really, really big thing for me. So yeah, I don't know, I just being the best I can be, and, like, letting the fruits of that labor take care of other people. Yeah. Okay. So that's what keeps me motivated, because it's like I can't stay down for too long.
Well, it sounds like you're still taking care of others, because your motivation is behind.
Mind your business, Marcel.
All right. Okay.
Mind your business.
Just put that together. And just blurt it out. I was like, hey, that sounds like, all right, okay. Sound like that burnout coming.
As soon as I said that, I said,
Yeah, all right. Okay.
You know, it's a work in progress.
It's a work in progress. Who aren't we all? So how do you handle naysayers and things? Because you're constantly doing these things. You're moving around, starting on this project, letting this project. In the past, you know, as you're moving around, like, how do you handle people that may say something negative? Like, here go Peggy again.
Right.
Doing this.
Right.
I gotta support her launch party, and you know, I'm speaking from experience, you know. So, but you know, we both know how it goes.
Yeah. Right? It's never that I got that. It was more so, like, it would typically come from people who never really did much, or like took many risks in their lives.
Don't it always? So, you know, be like, okay, why am I even? After over time, you're like, why am I even listening to these people?
I don't even.
I
never had
to flipping fries. You know,
that's the thing. Like, I'm very keen on, like, who am I listening to?
Right.
And so with people, if it's coming from somebody who has never done anything similar to what I'm doing, whether that's, you know, even if it's not the same thing, but like taking a risk and like pushing, you know, shooting for your dreams and like working towards your dreams. If you've never done that, I really don't, like, respect, but I don't really care what you got to say.
Yeah, no respect. Respect, but no respect.
Respect, but no respect.
Get up out of here.
I really don't care.
Yeah,
so, but luckily, I haven't really gotten that from anybody, because we all get it. You know, like, everybody I'm around, we all kind of have done or are doing the same thing. Right. Miles is probably the only person I know that, like, has really only, I didn't say only, but for the most part, his main thing has been filmmaking. Right. But all the rest of us, we got, like, all these millions of little, like, tentacles, like, that we're doing, and, like, and things we got our hands in. And so, yeah, luckily I haven't had to worry about that too much. But then at the same time, even if I did, I'm sorry. I mean, one thing about it, when I feel passionate about something, I feel like I know I'm supposed to be doing something. There's nothing you can tell me. Because if I know, like, spiritually, like, this is what I'm supposed to be doing in this moment, there's nothing you can tell me.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody can tell you anything.
No, I'm not listening. I'm in a negative way.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Trust me, I know.